Everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to clone a remote. This is for a 2013 Hyundai i30. Beauty of doing this is once you clone, the remote just works straight away, so no programming required. So on the KD app, you want to go to remote function. You want to go to special copy. It's just pairing with the KDX2 again. Alright, so now it'll ask us for some buttons from the existing remote. So this is the existing working remote. So we'll go unlock. We'll grab that code and it will actually ID that it's an i30 up there as well. Unlock again for the second time. Now it will ask us for the lock button. Lock again. Now it wants the boot button. Boot button one more time. Now it will ask us for a panic. We don't have a panic for this remote, so we're going to hit skip. Make sure the frequency is correct. It will grab the frequency each time you're pressing the button on the original, so that's fine. Now we want to plug in our new KD remote, so we're just using a B09 here. Just plug that in. You want to hit generate, wired generation. Generate successfully, so we'll unplug that board. Chuck a battery in it, whack it back into this shell. And we'll test the remote. Alrighty, so unlock, lock, all good. And that's how you generate, that's how you special copy a remote for a 2013 Hyundai i30. Thanks.